What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm, providing you one inspiration at a time. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. For those of you who are coming back, thank you very much for your support. I do appreciate it. Welcome, my lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. And today, what I'm going to be doing for you, I'm going to try my hand at cashew cheese. These are the ingredients that I'll be using to make my cashew cheese for you today. So over here I have 1 cup raw cashew, a 1/3 cup of water, 5 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1/4 cup of tahini sauce, medium carrot, paprika, I have cayenne pepper, I have mustard, yeast, nutritional yeast, coconut oil, salt, and this is the Agar Agar powder or Agar Agar powder. This is going to allow it to thickens, right? Thickens very well. And ensure when you're making yours, you do not use the flakes, but the powder. So guys, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go ahead and put all of my ingredients into the blender. I will leave in the description down below the ingredients and their quantities so you can check that out when you get the chance. So I'm going to put all of this except the agar agar powder into the blender and blend that into a paste. So while I'm doing that, guys, there are some channels that I want to shout out. Guys, I want you to look at these channels if their content is pleasing to you and it's something that you like. I want you to go ahead and check them out. They're small YouTubers and I just want to give them a shout out. So you have Stiff Breast Entertainment, you have Chilling with Ali and Mali, you have All About Life with Colleen, you have Teacher Simmons. So guys, please go over to these channels, check them out, show them some love, and they will return the favor. Remember, one hand washes the other. And just tell them Inspiring Charm sends you. So guys, my ingredients are all in my blender cup and I'm going to go ahead and blend that up for you. Guys, if it is too thick, feel free to add a little bit more water to it so that you can blend it really smooth. That's what I did just now. I just had like 2 more tablespoons of water and I'm going to try and blend it again. That water that I added to it at the last moment, it really helped it. Now it's finished blending. I get it into a nice creamy paste. Now move on to the next step. So guys, this is the bowl that I'm going to set my cheese in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray it with some non-stick spray. You can use a paper towel or a brush to ensure that it is evenly coated. So this is my bowl, properly greased. So guys, this is the tricky part of it. I'm moving on to the thickener. So I'm just gonna let my bowl sit aside. This is my blended mix. And now I'm going to go over to the pot. So in a small saucepan, about medium heat or 6 thereabout, I'm going to be adding 1 cup of water to that, and I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of the Agar Agar powder. It's gelling agent and thickener, right? It's all natural. So I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon to that. So 2 tablespoons, so that's half, and this is 1. I'm gonna mix this vigorously. I'm only gonna allow this to boil for 1 minute. This is the area where you have to move quickly, guys, because it's going to thick up very fast on you. So as it starts to boil, guys, that's when you're going to time it. You're only going to allow it to boil for a minute. Remember, you have to keep on stirring it in order for it not to clump together. All right, guys, I want you to see it now. The consistency has changed a lot. It is getting thick. It hasn't started boiling as yet, but it's getting thick. Very thick. Now you can see it starts to boil in the bottom there. Right there. I'm timing it now. See the bubbles coming there? I hope you can see it. Yes. Now, guys, what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to open my blender. I'm going to pour it in the blender and blend everything together until it's smooth. I might not be able to show you this because I have to move pretty fast, but that's exactly what I'm going to be doing now, guys. Pouring that mixture into my blender, and I'm going to blend quickly. So, guys, my mixture is finished blending, and this is what it comes out to be. So I'm going to pour it in this, and I'm going to allow it to I'm going to put it in the fridge and allow it to set. So it's very creamy, very thick and nice. The smell is great too. I like the flavor of the garlic and everything coming together. It smells really nice. So I'm just gonna smooth this out a little top. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge now, guys. This is a little bit just want to smooth that out so it will be flat. All right, see you when it is set. So my beautiful people, I'm gonna check out if my cheese is ready and commit. So this is my cheese. I left it in the fridge for about 2 hours. Now I'm gonna turn it out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it upside down on this tray and see what happens. The oil should have helped it, so let's see. I'm just gonna run a knife around the sides to see if I can help to lift that off and see what happens. Oh, that was quick. Oh my god, guys, look at that. That was so quick. So guys, this is my cashew cheese. Let's see. Remember I told you this is my first time making cashew cheese. So I'm gonna cut into that and see if it cuts like a cheese. Ooh, so soft and delicate. I'm gonna take out a piece, guys. Ooh, this feels so good. Look at that. It cuts like cheese. Whoo! This is so good. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Nice. I guess I could let it sit some more, but I'm gonna taste it now. Guys, creamy, nice. Let me fix up that for you guys. So my beautiful people, this is my cashew cheese. Right, I just tried to put a quick charcuterie board together for you. Nothing planned, just quick, just to show you the texture of the cheese, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. The only con to this is that it can become a bit cloying. So guys, if you know that you're not a big fan of cashew, don't go ahead and make a big batch. You might not be able to finish all of it. because it can get a bit cloying. The longer you let it stay in the fridge, the harder and the firmer the cheese is going to become. Guys, remember to like, share, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this and give it a try. Vegan friends out there, you may want something different, a different alternative. This is a new way to go. It has similar texture to that of your hummus. So guys, please remember to check the description down below to see what ingredients I used to put this together. Guys, bye for now. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm. See you in the next video.